Hello guys, welcome to Roll's video and welcome to my channel. For today's video, we're gonna test this portable spot welder that I bought online. Yeah guys, this is a portable spot welder that you can buy on online shops such as Lazada, Shopee, Alibaba, eBay, Amazon, and AliExpress, and other online shops. Well, so I'm gonna test this out, and this portable spot welder, actually I bought this on Shopee, and for the price it's around 1,000 pesos or $10, and it only comes with this cable for the USB. It didn't come with this charger, so you can use your cell phone charger and just plug it here. There. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna try to charge this, but actually I already done a charge on this portable spot welder. Alright, let me okay, so I have here, it's a charger, my own charger for my cell phone. It's USB cable. You'll just have to try to insert it here. There. Alright, and we're gonna plug it on the outlet. Alright, so as you can see here, it shows color green. That indicator that's green, it shows that it's charging. And if it's not fully charged, usually this green indicator here, it blinks. It blinks, it turns green, then black, then green. But if it's fully charged, it will stay green. Alright, I'm gonna unplug this so we can try this out. Alright. Okay, so we have here, it's soldering wires here, it's spot welding copper, and we're gonna try to use this nickel strips here that I have, so we can try or test it out if it really do its job to weld on each other. And we're going to try it on. Alright, gonna press on here. Pressing here, that's usually around 2 seconds. There. And it turned on. When it's turning on, there will be an indicator it's blinking. If it blinks 1, that's actually level 1. So to increase its level or gear, you will need to press it in short, just one press at a time. There. It sounds and it blinks 1, 2. Usually I set this on 3, level 3. There. 1, 2, 3. So it's level 3 or gear 3 now. Alright, so we're gonna test to spot weld here on this nickel strip. Alright. Okay. I'm just gonna cut here one piece here, so I can try to weld this on each other here on this side. Alright. Okay. Let's see if this really worth it buying for this portable spot welder. There. Let's see another one. There. Very good. Alright, and look at that. It really weld perfectly, and it's hard to get now. That's good. I'm gonna try to weld it on this back of this battery, just for a sample. Okay, so I have here the battery. I just try to clip it using this wrench here, or vice grip, so I can put it steady. And I'm gonna try to use this to weld it here, if it will attach properly. Alright, and let's gonna do that. Let's check here. It's still on gear 3. 1, 2, 3. There. Okay. Oh, it sparks. Right. Whoa, very tight. That's good weld. Even just part of it. Alright. And next I'm gonna try to weld it on a bigger battery, or a lithium battery. Alright. Okay, so I have here a big battery, which is a prismatic lithium iron phosphate battery, but this is already you can see this is already a damaged battery. It swells up. I'm gonna try to weld using this portable spot welder on this battery. Alright, and let's do that. And still I'm using gear 3 here. Why I bought this portable spot welder, because I wanted to make a battery pack for my e-bike that was on my previous video, and we're gonna try to weld this. Put this on a stand here, so it's not there. Every time that it will spot weld, it will beep. See? And when I try to turn off, we will need to press it at least 2 seconds. There. That beep, it's already turned off. And I'm gonna check this weld here. Alright. It's tight as well, so this is a good weld, and we can use this to do a spot welding on this kind of battery as well. Alright, I'm gonna try to turn this on again. Just put this aside here. Turning on. There, it beeps, and as you can see, it will remember its level. It shows 1, 2, 3. It's still level 3. There. Since we have already used this, we're going to try to plug the charger on this, so we can see the blinking lights. Alright. There. Look at that, it's already charging, and there will be a slow blinking light there. Black and green, then green again. It will dim the light and green again. Alright. Well, actually, when you're charging, it will not weld. It will send a beep. Alright, let's turn this thing, pull up the charger. I like this portable spot welder spot welding that I bought online. It's very convenient that you can carry. It's just a small pack, and it's really lightweight. For its specs, it shows that this portable spot welder. Alright, so there's instructions at the back, and this has a 5,000 milliamps of capacity on its battery inside. Alright, so if you really like this video, click subscribe and like the button. Thank you for watching. Alright.